That was the start of that famous injection thing. Bigla lang, may umiiyak. So, it was Claudine. Ma'am, hurry up! Paupo ako sa pavement. Sinasaktan nata ni Raymar. So, I took a cab. Tapos, bumaba si Raymar. Tapos, bumaba si Claudine. So, let's eat out and all. That was the start of that famous injection thing. Then, he brought us out. Ang bait, the old Raymar. So, that's episode number 1. Usually, pagka tumawag si Claudine, kung sino lang nandyan, kasi God or something, alsa ng balutan. So, in one of those times, si Daddy ang nandoon. Naririnig namin si Claudine, hurry up, Mom, please! Ano ba? Where are you? Ibang klaseng iyak yun. Pagdating namin, ayan naman si Raymart bababa sa stairs. Oh, Ma'am, Dad, sit down. Upo kami sa sofa. After a while, bumaba si Claudine. Then he was normal lang siya. Wala lang siya, parang, why did you come? Parang ganon. Hindi na siya anak ko, nakakita ko. Parang zombie. Yung parang may pinagdaanan. She just collapsed in the arms of Daddy. Dito si Daddy,